like to know why God Almighty has specifically chosen Jesus, peace be on him, and Hazrat Yahya, peace be on him too, with this structure. Wassalamu alayya wulidtu amutu wa ab'athu hayya. Why not other prophets though?
Read both these verses.
Huzur, in case of Hazrat Yahya alayhi salam, the verses in Surah Maryam, verse number 16, A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim, wa salamun alayhi yawma wulida wa yawma yamutu wa yawma yubasu hayya. And peace was on him the day he was born and the day he died, and peace there will be on him the day he will be raised up to life again. And in case of Hazrat Isa alayhi salam, the verse is in the same chapter, Surah Maryam, verse number 34. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim, wassalamu alayya yawma wulidtu wa yawma amutu wa yawma ubasu hayya. And peace was on me the day I was born, and peace there will be on the day I shall die, and the day I shall be raised up to life again.
Now the question is, why
this special mention has been mentioned in relation to Hazrat Yahya and other things?
I believe the special mention is made to prove the point that neither Hazrat Isa ﷺ was killed through crucifixion or by any means, nor Hazrat Yahya will be killed through, according to the stories, at the hand of a dictator who had ordered him, and the order was to bring his head on a silver platter, before him. So this is why I always interpret that according to the construction of these two verses, Hazrat Yahya ﷺ was not murdered, but he lived long enough to die a natural death. So I have made investigations, and he is known to have lived in a small island near Greece, and there not only the traditions but the signs of Hazrat Yahya are found everywhere. He used to baptize them, and all around the island there are places where he used to baptize people in the seawater around. So traditions say that he was the same Yahya who was once found in Palestine. You understand? From this I'm 100% sure myself that Hazrat Yahya was not murdered like Jesus Christ. Or there will be contradiction in these two verses.